Hello guys, today in this video we will understand a new concept, and with the help of new concept we will try to understand that what we should do when the stock reach on last day high and when the stock reach at last day low. So it's very important to take care to see the price movement when the stock reach on last day high. So this is the ICR motor chart, and this is the chart for 23rd February and 22nd February. I hope you can see the movement of cursor. I mark a area with the dark blue line. You can see that. And in the morning, the stock start on the upside and it's continue moving on the upside. So when the stock reach on this point, it break the support level, this resistance level, and then it reach on this point when we should mark last day high and last day low on our chart so that we can see the price movement on this important occasion on important location. So now you can see that stock reach approximately last day high. So we should wait for the right opportunity. We cannot make a buy entry on this level. We should wait and we should see the price movement, price action. Then only we can take any trade. So there is a wonderful technique, wonderful trading plan, wonderful strategy which we can apply as per my 16-day trading strategy. So we should wait at that point and we should wait for the right opportunity. And when we feel that stock reach on that level and we can apply our strategy on this level, then only we should apply our strategy and then we wait for our exit entry. It means we should wait for the profit booking. So in this video, I want to share that this last day high and last day low is most important in our chart. If we want to be a professional trader, then we should know and we should mark this important level on our chart whenever we are doing trading, and we should take care, we should track this level very carefully because this level are important level. Stock can feel resistance when it reach to the last day high. It feel resistance and it can go on the downside. What happened on yesterday, you can see that stock reach on this point and then it feel resistance because it's last day high and then it goes down. It can happen on the downside also. On many of the cases, stock reach on last day low, then stock takes spot on this level and then it move on the upside. So we should track when stock reach on the last day high and when it reach on the last day low. We should track on both of the cases and we should apply our strategy as per our trading plan, and then only we can get the profit from the market. So if you want to earn money from the market, then you have to make the focus to the learning only. When you learn, then only you can earn. You cannot wait for the other that someone other comes and ask you that you should buy on this level, or if you are waiting for the tip provider, that tip provider will come and call you and then he advise you that you should buy this stock or you should sell this stock on this level, because trading is the game of momentum. So we should apply our strategy, we should apply our trading tactics, and then only we can get the required profit from the market. So make focus to learn something new, to apply something new, to make focus on your trading plan in spite of waiting for the others. So this is what I want to share with you, that you can make the money from the market. If you have a mentality of learning, then only you can learn the concept and then only you can earn money from the market. So thank you very much, and I hope you will make focus on the learning in spite of doing R&D in the market. Thank you very much.